Jam masks are available now. Link is in the description, y'all. Only $12.99. These masks are dope. And man, in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to meditate in 3 minutes. Literally last night I was meditating and I thought it would be a good video topic to bring y'all today. And even this morning, NLE Choppa made a tweet on it. So here it goes. How to meditate in 3 minutes, right? Step number 1, for the first minute, clear out all your thoughts. Just go to somewhere on your own environment. You see I'm out here by myself right here, right? If you're thinking of too much things, write it all down. Jot it down on a piece of paper, clear your schedule, get by yourself. That's step 1. That takes 1 minute. Step number 2, take yourself out of your own shoes and literally don't try to control your thoughts or anything. Just simply allow them to happen. Just sit back from a third person perspective and don't try to control your thoughts. Don't try to change them. Don't do anything. Just sit back and just pay attention to what naturally is going to happen in your mind. After a minute of that, you're going to start to feel really good. You're going to feel calm. You're not even going to be stressed about your own stresses anymore because you're looking at it from a different perspective besides your own. And that brings me to the final step. All you got to do at that point, once your mind is clear, then you could give yourself any type of positive affirmation. Boost your own confidence, basically. Tell yourself everything you know that's already true. Deep down inside, you know you're gonna be perfectly fine. Coronavirus, pandemic and all. So you put that together and your mind is gonna be completely cleared. You're gonna be full of motivation. Your mind will be calm and at peace. I just wanted to bring y'all a mental health video today, y'all. That concludes how to meditate 2020 with Jam in 3 minutes or less. It's easy as that. Let me know how it goes for you guys if you're ever stressing at all. Just meditate for 3 minutes. Sit down for 3 minutes. Reset, man. That's the end of the video, man. Sub with notifications if you're new to join the Jam fam. If you haven't already, I'll catch y'all in the next one.